Shiva refers to both that which is not and Adiyogi because in many ways they are synonymous. Explore the stories and legends that surround this most prominent figure of Indian spiritual traditions.
Shiva means that which is not. That which is physical creation. That which is not is that which is not physical. That which is not, where can it be? In India or America? Or on this planet? Or in another galaxy, where can it be? It's everywhere. So, there is a dimensionless existence. So we called it appropriately Shiva, that means that which is not.
When we say Shiva, there are two fundamental aspects that we are referring to. The word Shiva means literally that which is not. Today, modern science is proving to us that everything comes from nothing and goes back to nothing.
You should be able to perceive through five senses. See, right now what you can see and what you cannot see is this. You can see my hand because it is stopping light. Anything that is not stopping light, you don't see, isn't it? Right now there is air here which you're breathing, which is most vital for your existence, but you don't see it.
The basis of existence and the fundamental quality of the cosmos is vast nothingness. The galaxies are just a small happening, a sprinkling. The rest is all vast empty space, which is referred to as Shiva. That is the womb from which everything is born.
If you look up in the sky, you see the stars. But stars are a small happening. The real thing is the vast emptiness. So this we refer to as Shiva, that which is not. Today modern scientists are saying this vast space has a tremendous amount of energy, but it is not any of the energies that are measurable by us, like electromagnetic waves or weak nuclear energy or strong nuclear energy or electrical systems or microwaves, none of these things.
And that is the oblivion into which everything is sucked back. Everything comes from Shiva and goes back to Shiva. So Shiva is described as a non-being, not as a being. Shiva is not described as light, but as darkness. Humanity has gone about eulogizing light only because of the nature of the visual apparatus that they carry. Otherwise, the only thing that is always is darkness.
At the same time, we called Adiyogi also the Shiva, because he perceived that which is not. You are who you are, people call you a director, a film producer, why? Because you perceived something. If you did not perceive that, they would not recognize you as that. So we recognized Adiyogi as Shiva because he perceived that which is not.
Light is a limited happening in the sense that any source of light, whether a light bulb or the sun, will eventually lose its ability to give out light. Light is not eternal. It is always a limited possibility because it happens and it ends. Darkness is a much bigger possibility than light. Nothing needs to burn. It is eternal. Darkness is everywhere. It is the only thing that is all-pervading. But if I say divine darkness, people think I am a devil worshipper or something. In fact, in some places in the West it is being propagated that Shiva is a demon. But if you look at it as a concept, there isn't a more intelligent concept on the planet about the whole process of creation and how it has happened.
All physical realities exist within the span of time, isn't it? If I destroy your time, everything is over. See, right now your clock is ticking lup-dup, along with your watch, something else is ticking inside, right? Suppose we fast forward everything, We just over, isn't it?
On another level, when we say Shiva, we are referring to a certain yogi, the Adiyogi or the first yogi. And also the Adi Guru, the first Guru, who is the basis of what we know as the yogic science today.
Beyond darkness, what is? All that you cannot grasp is darkness for you. And that's the whole thing. What you can grasp is so small. If you know 1,000 galaxies, still it is too small in the cosmic scape of existence. And all that you do not know invariably is darkness to you. So, this vast space of darkness, darkness is not a substance. Darkness is not a thing. Absence of light is darkness. Absence of perception is darkness. Absence of knowing is darkness. So that is the ultimate thing, because there is too much that is not known to you, so it's dark. So darkness does not mean a thing. It is not a thing. It is something that's beyond your perception, so it's dark. So, all that is dark and beyond your perception, we say this is Shiva, because it's a limitless expanse. A limitless expanse of ignorance, but there is no limitless expanse of knowledge. Knowledge is always limited. It can be large, but still very limited. Only ignorance can be limitless. So Shiva is also referred to as Bholenath, the ignorant one, because he's the lord of ignorance.